Hey everyone, here's a recap of the Midjourney Office Hours from May 10th. Right now they're working on version 6. They're playing around with remixes and remasters of version 5, trying out some different versions of the remix feature. They might have something that works better than it does currently. David said that 5.1 is quite good and he's happy with it. There is a chance of a version 5.2. If version 6 takes a long time, they will do a 5.2. But if progress is quick, they will just focus on version 6. They are still debating what features will make it to version 6. They're looking at controllability features, characters, styles, real-time drawings. Tough to say timelines though. I wouldn't hold my breath for anything in V6. He said he is least happy with the AI moderation. Most people like it, around 85%, but it still has some bugs. It might be a little too strict. I haven't personally noticed this, but I don't really push boundaries. He said that moderation on image prompts is harder to fix. They have been much more lenient on people and places, but context and sentiment matters more now. He brought up something interesting. Does free speech involve the creation of images? He said probably yes. And does everyone have a free speech right to make photorealistic images of whatever they want? Again, he said probably yes, but it's not that simple. There's a lot of ways that things could go wrong. So is art about beauty or about emotion? I think it's a coin flip. He said he thinks the world could use a lot more beauty before it could use more anger. In other news, moving forward, they might need to put metadata or invisible watermarks on Midjourney images so that other platforms will be able to distinguish between reality and AI art. He also noted that they have lots of people working on the web stuff. There's been an update to the web search. It should be live by the time you're listening to this. Their databases are getting faster and faster, and now you can search images from the entire community, I think. They are moving towards a big web overhaul. They are investing in more learning tools and some optimism. He sees lots of improvements coming over the next year. There's a quick recap. I hope you're doing well. Take care, and I'll see you next time.